Hello friends, welcome to my channel Home Enriched by Neelu, and this is Neelima. Today I am presenting a Valentine's special greeting card. So it is an openable greeting card. You can see it is a very beautiful and a 3D effect greeting card with hearts popping up in front of the greeting card, and when you open it will give a very good effect. So let us start. So friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do comment in the comment section below. Let's start the DIY then. Materials that are required are given below. So I have taken two white colored chart papers of square shape. The dimensions are around 5 by 5 centimeter. You also require a sketch pen, scissors, glue and a beads chain. These are available in the market so easily. Take the heart shape that you have taken earlier and cut it in the middle, and you have to stick it inside the greeting card. Now draw a dotted line with the help of a sketch pen. Now we will stick the beads chain. With the help of a glue. So we will finish the greeting card with the margins with the help of a sketch pen. So friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Hope you have enjoyed the DIY.